I can guarantee you money that you've never seen what's inside this box. I actually don't even know what's inside this box, but we're going to find out together. But I do know who sent it to me. The nice people over at circuitboardart.co. They got some pretty unique, interesting things on their website, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check it out yourself. And if you want to stand out from everybody else, I can guarantee you that things on their website will definitely do just that. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. Well, that definitely didn't go as planned, but here we are. Discover the beauty in circuit boards, CB Art. That is really cool. Very nice presentation so far. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow, here we have a little coaster for your cup. It's printed out of circuit board. That is awesome. It's got a nice rubber underside. Very cool. And all this they have on their website as well. Here we have a little pendant that you can wear around your neck. It's got a little circuit board inside. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty cool. And here we have some cufflinks. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Here we have a ring. Wow. That is pretty cool. Well, it's got a circuit board printed on it. And I believe it's made out of titanium. It's very light. And it actually fits. That is so cool. Wow. Perfect. And here we have a RTX 3090 little keyring, NVIDIA. It's made out of circuit board. That's pretty cool. And then here we have an iPhone case with a circuit board printed on the back. That is so cool. Yeah, I can guarantee you that nobody else will have a case like this. That is really cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and put my phone inside the case here. This is for an iPhone 13 Pro Max. They do make them for other phones and phone sizes as well. So I do have a glass screen protector on here right now, and as you can see, it does still have a raised edge around the sides to protect the screen. There are your volume buttons separated, which is nice, the cutout for the mute button. You got your power button on the other side. That does protrude a little bit. It's clicky. Feels nice in the hand. It's grippy. It's not slippery. On the bottom here, we have our cutouts for our charging port, speaker, and microphone. On the back, and here's our circuit board. And then we also have a raised edge around our camera for protecting that. That is so cool. Yep, buttons are responsive, no issues there. It's got that nice rubbery feel to it. Very cool. Now there is one last thing that I am curious about. Will it wirelessly charge through the circuit board? Let's find out. There you go. No problems at all. And everything you see here can be purchased on their website. And like I said before, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check them out yourself. So if you guys know somebody that's really into tech or loves computers, I think this would make a great gift for them. And like I said before, I've never seen anything like this, and I think it's pretty unique. But I'm curious to know, has anybody out there ever seen anything like this, and what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.